Hello and welcome to Digit, and in this video I'm going to tell you the key features of the HealthSense Ultralight Personal Scale. The model number is PS126. The HealthSense Ultralight Personal Body Weighing Scale comes with precision G sensors, which are engineered to deliver accurate readings to the nearest graduation of 100 grams. The ultralight scale boasts a super lightweight grey ABS body with ergonomically rounded corners for added safety and prevents you from getting hurt. The HealthSense Ultralight scale has step-on technology, which facilitates instant activation of the scale after initial insertion of batteries. You just have to step on the auto-calibrated platform and you are good to go for a weight reading. The scale has a weighing capacity between 5 kgs to 180 kgs, and it has a unit button which allows you to toggle between kilograms, pounds and stones. This scale features a large backlit LCD, so your weight readings are largely displayed and you can clearly see them. Lastly, this scale is skid-proof and it has custom-built feet, so whether it's wet or dry, its anti-slippery surface is built to give grip to your feet. So those were the key features of the HealthSense Ultralight Personal Scale, model number PS126. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.